Assalamualaikum and hi. I will explain for question 1, Roman 1. First, before we calculate, we need to find the price elasticity of demand formula to find the answer. According from statement, Salahuddin spends Rm200 per month on a product when its unit price is Rm2.50 per unit and spend Rm260 per month on this product when its unit price increases to Rm2.70. So now we need find the percentage change in quantity demanded of goods, which is V minus new quantity demanded Q1 Rm260 between all quantity demanded Q0 Rm200, and at the same time we divided them with Q0. So the answer is we get 0.08. After that we do the same thing like before, is we find the percentage change in price of goods, which is V minus new price P1 Rm2.70 between all price P0 2.50, and at the same time we divided them to P0, so we get 0.08. Lastly, we divided percentage change in quantity demanded of goods between percentage change in price of goods, so the answer is 1 from the calculation. Thanks. For question 1, Roman 2, demand for this product is unitary elastic because percentage change in quantity demanded is equal to percentage change in price. In this case, ED equals to E1 and the demand curve is a rectangular hyperbola. Rectangular hyperbola is a curve under which the total area at all points will be the same. This will happen in the markets when consumers have substitutes of products available for their needs. In question 2, how to calculate the cross of elasticity of good B is using a formula of cross elasticity of demand, which is Q1 minus Q0 divide to Q0 multiplication to P0 divide to P1 minus P0. So we just insert the formula, that is 800 minus to 1200 divide to 1200 multiplication to 53 divide to 57 minus 53. So the answer is negative 4.42. So to answer the question 2 Roman is the type of relationship is complement. Why is B complement? Because the answer in 1 Roman it be negative 4.42. So to relate it to the complement, it need the result to be less than 0. So when the less than 0, it will be complement.
Income elasticity of demand. Question number 3. Necessities product have zero income elasticity of demand YED. 1 Roman, explain this statement. Necessities is something that you need in daily life in order to live. For example, air, food, and water. The graph shows that no matter how the income changes, the quantity demanded of necessities will stay the same. Question 3, 2 Roman, suppose that when Elias' income increases from 1500 to 1700 in a year, he increases the number of clothes he buys in a year from 30 units to 60 units. What is his income elasticity of demand when it comes to clothes? For the formula, EY equal to Q1 minus Q0 divided Q0 times Y0 divided Y1 minus Y0. 60 minus 30 divided 30 times 50,000 divided 75,000 minus 50,000. For the answer, you will get 2. For question 3 Romans, based on this information, explain the type of this product. So, the type of this product is luxury goods. The consumer will buy more luxury goods so they can show the value of the goods. The more expensive the goods are, the more consumer will buy it. Thus, when the consumer income increases, the demand of the luxury goods also will increase. For example, goods, sports car, jewelry, high-end clothing, and accessories.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Siti Aisha. So today I will be presenting price elasticity of supply. For question 4, using supply analysis, sketch and explain the type of price elasticity of supply for each question. Question number 1, when the price of good X is 300 ringgit, the quantity supply is 200 units. When the price increases to 400 ringgit, the quantity supply is unchanged at 200 units. Using the formula, elasticity supply, quantity supply 1 minus quantity supply 0 divided by quantity supply 0 multiple with price 0 divided by price 1 minus price 0. So first we need to find quantity supply 1, quantity supply 0, price 0 and price 1. For quantity supply 1 and quantity supply 0 is 200, price 0 is 300 and price 1 is 400. So 200 minus 200 divided by 200 multiple with 300 divided by 400 minus 300. So the answer we will get 0. So the types of price elasticity is perfectly inelastic. From the graph, we can see that the price increased from 300 to 400, but the quantity supply is remain unchanged at 200 units. The curve is vertical supply curve. So the conclusion is, no matter how the price change, the quantity supply will stay the same. Suppliers will sell the same number of goods and services regardless the movement of price. For question 2, when the price of good Y increased from 300 ringgit to 400 ringgit, the quantity supply of good Y increased from 200 units to 230 units. Using the formula, we need to find quantity supply 1, which is 230, and quantity supply 0 is 200, price 0 is 300, and price 1 is 400. So, 230 minus 200 divided by 200 multiple with 300 divided by 400 minus 300. So the answer we will get 0.45. The type of price elasticity is inelastic. A change in the price of good causes a smaller percentage change in the quantity supply. From the graph, we can see that the price increased from 300 to 400, and the quantity supplies also increased from 200 to 230. The curve is steeper slope of supply curve. For the last question, when the price of goods Z increased from 300 to 400 ringgit, the quantity supply increased from 200 units to 280 units. Using the same formula, 218 as quantity supply 1, quantity supply 0 is 200, price 0 is 300, and price 1 is 400. 218 minus 200 divide by 200 multiple with 300 divide by 400 minus 300. So the answer will be 1.2. The type of price elasticity is elastic. A change in the price of good causes a bigger percentage change in the quantity supply. From the graph, we can see that the price increased from 300 and 400 to 400, and at the same time, the quantity supply increased from 200 to 280. The curve shows that flatter slope of supply curve.